Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Bloodstrike PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game on your device, and after you have chosen your server and entered the game, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and now you will see the controller option at the left side. Click on this if you use a joystick, and if you wish to customize the controls for your joystick. In order to change the keyboard and mouse settings, go into Controls. Now you will see the keybinds that have been set for your game. You can go into the default keybinds option to quickly check all of your keybinds, and in order to change it from the custom keybind, you can click on whichever key you wish to change. You can also assign multiple buttons for the same task by clicking on the blank space. Once you see a question mark appear, you can press your desired new button, and it will be set right away. To change an already assigned key, click on the already assigned button, and once the question mark appears, you can once again press your desired new key. Through this method, you can remap all of your buttons to fit exactly how you want. And once you have made your change, you can go back and it will be saved automatically. Now you can start playing your game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Bloodstrike PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.